Good day, friends. Florida Explorer 777 here with y'all again today for another exciting Mud Fossils Inc. video. So today I've been flying around on Google Earth and I think that I've found something pretty interesting. So I hope that all y'all are having a blessed day today, friends. Let's go ahead and check this out. So I'm going to walk up to the screen real quick here. So what I think we have here today is a gigantic bird, and if you look at it, it kind of looks like it's in motion coming this way. So right here is the eyeball, and then this right here is his beak right here, and then this right here is his right wing, and this right here would be his left wing right here on this side. So let's take a closer look at it, and there was a couple areas that I wanted to show y'all, like this in here. See all this? See how biological that is? That's all blood. All this red right here, that's all blood. Then let's take a good look at the eyeball right here. And you can see we've got water running through here, so this is a very low-lying area. So that would make sense for this being the eye right here, because you know that's going to be recessed a little bit. Look at that definition right there of the beak and the nose right here. Alright. So, long ways from here to here is 875 miles. And then now what I did to measure his wingspan, I measured from here to here and then down to here to get all the way across, and that was 673 miles for the wingspan on this. So as I was looking at this, I was thinking to myself, let me see what the Bible says about large flying animals. So I found out that in the Jewish text, they call this bird the Ziz, Z-I-Z. There's two Bible verses, Psalms 50, verse 11, and Psalms 80, 13 and 14, both mention his name, the Ziz. The Jewish text explains this bird to be so large it could block the sun when it spread out its wings. Another way that people described it was when they saw it, its head was literally knocking the sky. So this is not only an awesome mud fossil find, there's an actual biblical background, an account of this creature. Now I was looking over here at this side and kind of saw it kind of looks like a pterodactyl head, but I'm not really worried about that right now. All I'm worried about is this big bird that the Bible and the Jews call the Ziz. So I was extremely happy when I found out what this thing is. So that I'm so glad that y'all were able to join with us today, friends. I hope that all y'all enjoyed the video. Welcome to all of our new friends. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Have a blessed day today, friends. Always praise Jesus.